Present for sale at Three Pines Garage. Registration GV16 LWP. Toyota Hilux Invincible D/Cab Pickup 2.4D 4D. It has done 85,000 miles and comes with 2 keys. The truck comes with alloys, air conditioning, DAB radio, Bluetooth, cruise control, traction control, reverse camera, and a tow bar. Another fantastic example of the popular Toyota Hilux. These trucks have outstanding capabilities and astonishing reliability. A brilliant multi-purpose vehicle ready to be put to work with confidence. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value. Finance options available and warranty is included. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to threepinesgarage.co.uk now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.